Hey guys, so this is a video of me getting ready for work and kind of my daily routine. So in the morning I start off by just taking some micellar water and a little cotton pad and wiping off my sleep basically and all the dirt that has been collecting. And then I am going to moisturize my lips with the Vaseline lip balm, and I've actually been really enjoying this lip balm from them. It makes my lips really not chapped and really just moisturized throughout the day, and it's actually better than the regular Vaseline that I've been using. To start off, I do prime my face with the Maybelline Master Prime, the green one, and I think it's in 300, just to wake my skin up a little bit, make sure that when I apply foundation, it's nice and even, and that I don't damage my skin even more, or that I look more awake. So it's currently really early in the morning, so that's what I use. And then I'm just going to do my brows right now, and it's just going to be using the Wet n Wild brow pencil. Then from there, I go straight into foundation. Today I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 305. Again, using my Y6 brush because it's faster in the morning as well, and I've also loved this brush. I can talk days and days and days about this brush, but it really is fantastic, and I suggest you guys try it out for yourself. So I'm just going to do my foundation, go on my phone while I figure out which show I want to watch. And for concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20, running that underneath my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and my nose. And typically for work days, I don't like to use a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because I'm sitting in an office all day, so these makeup looks are pretty on my version of a light side. Then I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender and just blend that in, make sure everything is nice and blend it into the skin, and I don't have any random concealer patches anywhere. Then of course to set that, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild little palette here, using that light banana shade, setting the concealer underneath my eyes because I do sit at a desk all day and I do wear my glasses, so I don't want the concealer to run on my glasses or run down my face. So I like to set it in with this powder, and I absolutely love it because it makes me look even more awake on these early morning days that I am just dreading tired. And of course, to set the rest of the face, the CoverGirl Loose Setting Powder is my go-to. Make sure everything is nice and still, and I don't look like an oily hot mess or my makeup transfers all over the place. Next, I do take a little bit of bronzer, and I use the Ulta palette, and I go in with the two shades right here, and I take it on a Morphe brush just to add some color. I don't take a lot, just a little bit, to make my skin look a little bit alive and not just plain foundation. And for highlight, just going with the Fenty Beauty Moneymaker, I believe it's called, and just adding a little bit of highlight. Again, not too much. Typically, I don't have enough time to do my eyeshadow in the morning, but this morning I did. So I'm taking that brown shade in the Dream Street palette, and on a Morphe brush and just using this color as my transition shade. I decided to go a little bit easy today with the eyeshadow because, like I said, I really don't put eyeshadow on at work or for work, but today I did, so I thought I would make it a little bit easier, quick, and very simple. Next, picking up this dark brown shade and just putting that on my Morphe M411 brush, and I'm going to focus this color on the outer corner of the eye. I'm sorry, that's not the M411 brush. That is the RG 20 something brush. Again, it'll be down in the description box below, but just really focusing this color on the outer V and a little bit into the crease, not much, but kind of just giving the eye a little bit more depth. And so it's not just the transition color and the outer dark brown color. Then I'm going to take this light gold shade and just put this over my lid. Again, this is a very simple eye look that I did because I typically don't have enough time and I'm kind of just like running out the door most days, but I thought I would do just a simple look every day. You can literally wear this look every day to work or out and about. It took me about like 5 minutes to do this, so only using 3 colors is very easy. And then just taking that dark brown shade and running that underneath the lower lash line just to create a little bit of dimension for my eyes and adding a pop of color underneath the lower lash line. Just running it back and forth from outer corner to inner corner. Nothing too special, just a really simple eye look that I created for work. And for lips, I'm going in with the Morphe Liquid Lip. I think this is in the shade Jealous, but I will have to double check. Again, everything will be down in the bottom bar below. But this color was just, honestly, it was right in front of me, and I thought, hey, let's put a liquid lip on, and let's call this look a day. So this, actually, I'm pretty proud that I selected this lip color because it's actually pretty cute and goes very well with the eye look. And on the bright side, it stays on most of the day. It doesn't transfer whenever I drink my coffee, so that's always a plus. And of course, to make sure it lasts, I'm going in with the Morphe setting spray, and then I'm just going to braid my hair and put it pinned to the side, and that is it for my work look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this small little video. And I will see you guys in the next video. I have to make my coffee now. Bye.